Obviously, it's all about the performance. It's called the Trackhawk. It has 700 plus horsepower. It can 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. But the reality is that this Jeep in auto mode for daily driving, it can be driven 365 days a year. It's comfortable, it's quiet, it's a refined driving experience. That's what made it the most awarded to begin with, and we haven't lost any bit of that. So the drivability, the usability, the utility of it makes it probably the most practical 700 horsepower vehicle that will ever be produced.
Our target right from the onset was to create the quickest, most powerful SUV that has ever been built. We knew we had the technology, we knew we had the powertrain background, and we've certainly got the expertise in the SRT building to be able to take and harness the energy from the supercharged Hemi and put it to the ground. Wheel spin and burnouts look good on video, but when you want to be fast and you want to be the quickest SUV, you want to be able to put that power down and not spin tires.
We're not going to compromise any of the on-road driving dynamics, the refinement, the quietness of the cabin itself, the soft touch materials, the premium nature of that driving experience. It's really refined, but then you couple it with just absolutely mind-blowing performance. It's an unbelievable combination. It's almost a Jekyll and Hyde. It can fit any season, any condition. Drive it 365 days a year. It doesn't need to be 80 and sunny to take your Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. It can be rainy and 30 or snowing, and you can drive it. But if you have an opportunity to go to the track for the weekend on a track day, take it to the drag strip, you have the perfect track weapon.
This vehicle is going to be bought by a wide range of people, and we know that. The control modes that we offer through our SelectTrack system set the car up in an automatic mode that maximizes the safety, potential, and power of the vehicle for all everyday drivers. As you start to gain confidence and you start to gain experience, you can step your way up to the full performance of the vehicle through sport mode and track mode. We've even got custom modes that allow people to tailor the vehicle exactly to the way they like to drive it.
Jeep has a history of bringing some high-performance SUVs to the marketplace. It started in '98 with the 5.9 Limited. It was capable of 0 to 60 in 6.8 seconds. Then in 2006 model year, the first SRT debuted, and now we're bringing the ultimate performance SUV to market with the Grand Cherokee Trackhawk.
We've got an incredible following as a Jeep brand. Our customers are loyal, and they let us know on a regular basis what they want. People that have been driving the SRT Grand Cherokee reached out to us and said, hey, look, we really want to take this vehicle to the next level. They've indicated their interest, and we've delivered it.